This is Andrew hiccuping. Oh, you can't. Okay. I can say you can't be done. Hey, buddy. Oh, wow.
I felt that.
Oh, that is the 5th, or is it the 6th time today we've had this little guy poop. Oh.